Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, it is so great to have you. And if you are a return viewer or subscriber, again, thank you so much for coming, and I truly appreciate your support. Today we are doing something different. Yesterday I actually made a Pupsicle, which is like a popsicle for a puppy, and I tried it out. I wanted to see if Saint would like it, and he loved it. I also wanted to make sure that it wouldn't make him sick or run his tummy, because I'm still new to this whole dog mom thing. And when I saw that he was fine today, I said, okay, I can make more of these. I did not have any more popsicle molds because my mom decided to throw them all away because she thought we weren't using them. So I had to buy some more. Luckily, Quality Home Center, which is not far from me, had this pack of 4 for only $3.99. Before I go any further, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, especially if you want to see more videos like this. So to give you a little background of my puppy Saint, Saint is the most adorable little pit bull German Shepherd mix, but he's definitely more pit bull than German Shepherd. I know this because he bites me a lot, and it gets painful sometimes. But he's actually really sweet. He's really loving, and I love this dog. I would do pretty much anything for him. So when I saw this video, I thought, okay, this is something using ingredients that I already have, and it is like super hot outside. I'm sure you guys could hear my AC running because it's just like unbearably hot, and I know it must be especially hot for him covered in fur. So I thought this treat would be the perfect thing to help him cool down. So if you're going to make this treat, all you need is plain Greek yogurt. This I got on special because it's slightly expired, but it's okay, it's fine, it's still good. Some peanut butter. I actually like Skippy now. Like, this is so much sweeter than Peter Pan, which probably isn't as healthy, but hey, anyway. And because this is actually a little bit sweeter, the recipe that I have borrowed also suggested applesauce, but this is already pretty sweet and I don't want to make it too sweet for him, so I'm skipping the applesauce. But if you guys want to add the applesauce, maybe your peanut butter isn't as sweet, it's fine. Also, you don't have to use creamy peanut butter. You can use crunchy. It's just literally no one in my house eats crunchy peanut butter. It is like an abomination. Do not give us crunchy peanut butter. So you are going to start by just taking this here. It's still good. This might be the last use of it. So, get your spoon. I am probably the worst at measuring things. I should measure it. I don't. I'm sorry. But yeah, so figure it out, basically. Like, let's use our imagination here. Start with about as much as this as I can get, because I really want to use this up. I feel like I'm scooping this and nothing's going into the bowl. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to add the peanut butter. My mom is probably going to kill me for using the last of the peanut butter, but hey, I just texted her and told her we need more peanut butter. Because dogs really love this stuff. So once you have all of that, get your little spatula and mix it. So we're gonna open up our molds. Oh, these are connected. Okay, I love that these are connected so I can never actually lose. I love that these are connected so that I cannot actually lose them, which is super cool. So popping this off. We're going to, let's use a spoon, make it better. Start taking some spoonfuls, and try to fill it up as much to the top as you can. Alright, once you're done with that, you can just pop the lids right back on. Might have overfilled them just a little. It should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up the edges of this. Pop these in the freezer. They should be done in about 2 hours. Once these are done, you pop them out and have some fun. So I have popped one of these out. I always hate popping it out. That's the hard part for me. But I got one of these out and it's time to give Saint his treat. Come. Saint. Saint. There you go, boy. Oh, look inside. So if you can ignore the annoying random child in the back there, I have no idea whose kid that is. As you can see, Saint really likes his popsicle, and I hope your puppy likes it too. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and help your puppy feel good again. Bye guys.